Hello everyone and welcome to another video. This time ang topic natin the impulse momentum theorem, another easy one. Alright, let's start with the second law of motion. Force is equal to mass times acceleration. Okay. So ngayon, let's re-express yung acceleration into what it actually is. Yung velocity minus yung initial velocity over a change in time. So yun naman talaga ang acceleration, di ba? That's yung change of velocity across time. That's acceleration. So ngayon, i-distribute natin yung mass over the velocity sa numerator. So we have this. And then, multiply natin yung both sides of the equation by change of t. So naging ganyan na. Diba? Minultiply natin change of t, cancel, mapunta sa kabila. Okay. So ngayon, ito ngayon ang impulse and ang ating momentum. Diba? This is yung equation natin for momentum, mass times velocity, and this force times the change in time, yan yung impulse. Okay? So that is impulse and that is momentum. And if you put them together, that's the impulse momentum theorem. So ngayon, if you're by the way, if you're nagtataka kayo, ano yung triangle T? Change in time. Triangle T is change in time. In other words, the time elapsed. The time elapsed. Yung tumakbong oras. Okay, yun. Okay? So, actually, itong impulse momentum theorem, nanggaling lang siya dito, di ba? Nanggaling lang siya dyan. So, actually, the impulse momentum theorem is just another phase. It's just another phase of the second law of motion. Para lang siyang maskara. Okay? They're pretty much the same. Itong impulse momentum theorem, dun lang nanggaling yun. Okay? So, ngayon, ano ba yung impulse na yan? Ano bang use nitong impulse na ito? So, itong impulse kasi is yung change in momentum. And then, dependent din on the force na in-apply and then over the time period that it occurred na nangyari yung change in momentum. Okay. Pero ano ba talaga yung application ng impulse na yan? Perhaps it would be more clear kung tumingin tayo ng example. Have you heard of the sentence na don't be so impulsive? Yung impulsive buyer, ganyan. Kasi yung bili ng bili, yan, don't be impulsive. Meron din kasing ibig sabihin na if the value of your impulse is strong, meron din ibig sabihin yun in physics. Okay, let's go back to our equation, ano? Itong force times yung change in time equal to the change in momentum. Balik natin dyan. Consider this. Nakita nyo na ba to sa basketball? Yung merong foam. Bakit siya may foam? Para hindi malakas yung tama mo dun sa poste. Para hindi ka ma-injure, hindi ka mabalian ng buto. And because impulse ang pinag-aralan nila dyan. Alright? So, check this out. Ako, personally, I weigh at around 70 kilograms, ganyan. And then sabihin natin na I was running at 5 meters per second before I suddenly stopped. Okay? So, kasi yung velocity ko kanina, my initial velocity was 5 meters per second. And then, naging 0. I suddenly stopped kasi tumama ako dyan. And then sabihin natin na it took about 0.7 seconds before I completely stopped, ano. Before I completely stopped, it took 0.7 seconds. So, if you calculate this, ang lalabas diyan, negative 500 newtons. So, bakit siya negative? Kasi I was going there, 'di ba? I was going there, I was running there. And then pag tumama ako dito, the force that I will experience is negative 500 newtons papunta sa other way. Okay? So, check niya na, negative 500 newtons. Medyo mataas, siguro medyo masakit na rin yan. Pero look at this. Pag walang foam, yung iyong pag-stop, ibang-iba na. So, I was traveling at 5 meters per second. Naging 0 over a time period of 0.01 seconds. Kasi sobrang bilis eh. Kanina may foam, ngayon wala na. In 0.01 seconds, boom, tigil ka. Ayun ang na-experience mong force, negative 35,000 newtons. This might be an exaggeration, ano? Pero, and also, you won't necessarily die kasi depende rin yun sa, siyempre, medyo spread over naman yung force, ano? Siguro sa mukha mo, sa braso mo, tsaka sa legs mo siguro. So, spread out naman yung force. Pero, the point is, yan ang difference ng mataas na impulse tsaka sa mababang impulse. Yan, dahil sa yung time period na yan. Okay? Yun yung illustration natin para ma-explain yung impulse. Alright, so that would be the end of this presentation. So see you in the next one.